India's aerospace sector is witnessing a rapid transformation driven by increased demand for parts and services from global manufacturers. Companies like Airbus, Rolls-Royce and Pratt & Whitney are expanding their sourcing from India, capitalizing on the country's growing capabilities. Rolls-Royce, for instance, plans to double its sourcing from India within 5 years, citing cost advantages and the ability to meet rising global demand. This surge comes as Asia-Pacific aerospace revenue is expected to rise 54% in 2024 compared to 2019, while North America and Europe remain relatively flat. India, despite being the third largest domestic aviation market, currently accounts for just 1% of the global aerospace supply chain market. However, industry leaders believe that India's share will capture 10% of the global market by 2033. With the sector projected to be worth $250 billion annually. Companies in India are stepping up their game to meet these new demands. Bengaluru-based firms have been among the biggest beneficiaries. A supplier to Raytheon and Boeing is aiming to double its aerospace revenue to $57.57 million in 3 years. JJG Aero, which took 12 years to hit $2 million in revenue, has seen its earnings soar to $20 million in just 6 years. Both companies are now moving beyond basic manufacturing, focusing on higher value work like design, engineering, and system integration. As Western manufacturers face production caps and labor shortages, India is increasingly seen as a reliable, cost-effective solution to supply chain challenges. The growth of India's aerospace sector is further supported by a shift in the country's role within global supply chains. Airbus, for example, recently awarded its second aircraft door contract to Indian suppliers, and India currently contributes over $1 billion to Airbus's supply chain, a figure expected to double in the coming years. The Indian government is also taking steps to enhance the sector, with the Civil Aviation Ministry discussing strategies to boost local component manufacturing. Industry experts stress that India is now positioned to overcome past challenges such as long qualification times and raw material sourcing issues. With a skilled workforce and rising manufacturing capabilities, India is primed to become a key player in the global aerospace ecosystem. To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.